I want to share with you a game-changing concept that has completely flipped my life upside down. The idea that a single daily habit can be catalyst for monumental transformation. I still remember the day I stumbled upon it. I was feeling stuck, like I was going through the motions of life without any sense of direction or purpose. But then I discovered this one habit that has since become my secret sauce, my daily dose of motivation, my reason for getting out of bed in the morning. And I will be gladly sharing it with you in this video. Welcome to the channel Elevate with Shachi Seth. Hi, I am Shachi Seth, writer, entrepreneur, life coach, and your dear friend. We all have been there, waking up every morning, dreading the day ahead, feeling like we are just trying to survive rather than thrive. Our daily routines can be so monotonous, so draining, that we start to lose sight of what we truly want to achieve in life. We get caught up in the hustle and bustle, struggling to make time for the things that truly matter for us. We feel stuck in a cycle of negativity and self-doubt. We try to make changes, but they're short-lived. We fall back into old habits, and before we know it, weeks turns into months, months into years. We start to wonder if this is all there is to life. We struggle to prioritize our time, to find the motivation to make meaningful changes. We get bogged down by our to-do lists, overwhelmed by the sheer amount of tasks that need to be done. We feel like we're constantly playing catch-up, running on a hamster wheel, getting nowhere fast. We crave simplicity, clarity, direction, but it seems like an unattainable dream. We are left feeling frustrated, defeated, and hopeless. So how do we break free from the cycle of stagnation? How do we create a life that is true to who we are? A life that is filled with purpose, passion, and direction. The daily habit I want to share with you today is one that has been a total game changer for me. And I believe it can be for you too. It's called the morning page habit. And it's incredibly simple yet profoundly powerful. The idea is to commit to writing down your thoughts, feelings, and desires first thing in the morning before you start your day. It's a brain dump, a way to clear your mind, to process your emotions, and to set your intentions for the day ahead. I was skeptical at first, I won't lie. I thought it was just another silly habit that wouldn't make much a difference in my life. But the more I committed to it, the more I saw the benefits. I started to feel clarity, more direction, more purpose. I was able to prioritize my time more effectively, to focus on the things that truly mattered to me. I started to feel more calm, more centered, and more grounded. One of the most powerful benefits of this habit is it helps you to tap into your subconscious mind. By writing down your thoughts and feelings, you're able to uncover patterns, to identify areas of your life where you're holding yourself back. You're able to confront your fears, your doubts, your insecurities, and to overcome them. You're able to tap into your desires, to understand what truly drives you, what truly makes you come alive. The morning pages habit, popularized by Julia Cameron in her book The Artist's Way, is a great practice for clearing the mind, boosting creativity, and reducing mental clutter. However, to make the most of this practice, keep the following things in mind. 1. Write without judgment. Don't worry about grammar, spellings, or making sense. Let your thoughts flow freely without overanalyzing. 2. Be consistent. Write daily, preferably right after waking up. Aim for 3 pages, around 750 words, but adjust as needed. 3. Keep it private. It's your treasure. Don't share or read it immediately. This is for your eyes only. This helps in expressing raw, unfiltered thoughts without hesitation. 4. No pressure to be productive. You don't have to write perfect ideas or solutions. Let it be a brain dump. Write whatever comes to your mind. 5. Use pen and paper, the traditional way of writing. Writing by hand helps engage the brain differently and slows thoughts for a better clarity. If you are using digital tools, avoid distractions. 6. Avoid editing or overthinking. The goal is free flow writing, not creating polished content. Even if thoughts seem messy or repetitive, keep going, keep writing. 7. Let go of expectations. Don't expect immediate breakthroughs. Trust the process. Clarity and ideas will emerge over time. 8. Write first thing in the morning. Your mind is fresh and uncluttered in the morning, making it the best time to write. Avoid checking your phone, emails, or social media before writing. That might clog your judgment. 9. Don't worry about making sense. Write even if your thoughts feel random, boring, or disconnected. The purpose is to clear mental clutter, not to create structured content. 10. Be honest with yourself. Use this space to express raw emotions, frustrations, dreams, doubts, or excitement. This honesty leads to self-awareness and emotional healing. 11. Allow repetition. If you feel stuck, it's okay to repeat the same thoughts. This can help uncover deeper insights over time. 12. Don't rush the process. Take your time while writing. Don't force speed. The goal is to reflect and release thoughts, not to finish quickly. 13. Don't skip days, but forgive yourself if you do. Consistency is the key, but missing a day is not failure. Just start again the next morning without feeling guilty. 14. Use it as a mental detox. Treat it as a way to offload negativity, worries, or confusion. Writing helps in reducing stress and overthinking. 15. Let it evolve naturally. Over time, your writing style, topics, and dates may change. Allow the process to flow and grow with you. 16. You don't have to keep everything. If you feel like discarding old pages, it's okay, it's fine. The goal is to write, not to archive. Though some prefer keeping them for reflection, go ahead, do it. 17. Use it for manifestation and gratitude. If it feels right, include gratitude lists, affirmations, or visualization. Writing positive thoughts can set a powerful tone for the day. By following these simple guidelines, morning pages can become a powerful tool for self-awareness, creativity, and emotional release. I've seen this habit transform lives, and I'm not just talking about small changes. I'm talking about monumental, life-altering shifts. I've seen people overcome anxiety, depression, and trauma through the power of this habit. I've seen people discover their passion, their purposes, and their values. I've seen people create a life that is true to who they are, a life that is filled with joy, love, and laughter. One of the most compelling pieces of evidence I've seen is a friend of mine who struggled with anxiety for years. She was plagued by negative thoughts, by self-doubt, by fear. But then she started this habit. And within a few weeks, she started to notice a shift. She started to feel more calm, more centered, more grounded. She started to see the world in a different light, to see opportunities rather than obstacles. She started to take control of her life, to make decisions that aligned with her values, her passions, and her desire. The most jaw-dropping moment for me was when she told me that she had made a major outcome in her career, something that even she thought was far-sighted. I was blown away, fully blown away. I had never seen anything like it before. It was like she was a different person altogether, a person who was filled with life, energy, and full of passion. And it was all thanks to this one daily habit. So let's recap. We have discussed the power of single daily habit to transform our lives. We explored the morning page habit and how it can help us to create a life that is true to who we are. You've seen the evidence, the testimonials, the success stories, and now it's your turn. Leave a comment in the box below and let me know what you think about this habit. Have you tried it before? What has been your experience? Do you have any questions about how to implement it? I would love to hear from you. And if you want to learn more about personal growth, about how to create a life that is truly fulfilling, then be sure to check my other videos, where I'll be sharing more tips and strategies for transforming your life. Hence, subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed watching this video, hit the thumbs up icon. And for every time I post, you want notification, you can hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye. God bless.